say Japan.
Yeah.
I just because I remember. So Dan and I had a joke because we were so. I am so excited. You guys know that here on All Ears English, we primarily teach American English, but it's just one of the Englishes out there. I've heard someone use that term before. World Englishes, right? It's one of the versions. Yeah, one of the versions of English in the world, and so we crowdsourced an answer, and a key answer today, and we're going to introduce it. But first, the question. Shall I read the question to our listener? All right, so Paula says, hello girls. Firstly, thank you for your podcast. I love it very much. Well, that is amazing, Paula.
Yes,
thank you so much.
Paula.
Yes. I'm Italian with friends from the U.S. and the U.K. So in the U.S., I learned to say I'm good about my feeling and I'm well about my health. In the UK, when I answer I'm good, they start to laugh, telling me, yes, I know you are good, joking that when I say good, I mean beautiful. That's what I learned. Thank you, Paula. So there's some confusion from Paula.
Ireland, around the world, because I hadn't heard this, that good would maybe mean beautiful, and I figured you wouldn't know either. I'm like, we need some insight about, is this British slang, what's going on? So we have answers today, guys, from around the world, and I'm excited to share them with you.
Wow, coming to you on All Ears English from the global English, right?
Yes,
I love it. So good. But there is an episode that our listeners could check out, right?
Yes, we want to share with you, you and Michelle Lindsay did a great episode about good versus well in American English. It's 1047, so you can find that on our blog, in our archives, called I'm Good versus I'm Well. But this focuses a little bit on American English and why, both are fine, or just kind of the ins and outs, a deep dive into how this works in the U.S.
Yeah, but today we're going global. So guys, hit that follow button, go to 1047, listen to the episode, and then hit follow on All Ears English. So I want to know what you found out from different friends around the world. For example, a British person.
Yes,
right?
Let me let you know, first of all, what I texted them, because
what did you ask them exactly?
Yeah, I asked, first of all, when someone says, how are you, what do you say? And if someone answers, I'm good, what do you think? Are you like rolling your eyes like, Americans and their bad grammar, or is it fine? And I wanted to know this, my British friends, I asked, would that mean I'm beautiful if someone says I'm good? So I got answers to all of those questions.
Wow, okay. So should I go ahead and read Claire's answer first? All right, so again, you asked about the good versus well. Here's the answer.
British Claire is British. And
I'm not going to use a British accent, but...
No, don't.
All right. No English people... No. Her answer is no. English people don't